Hey guys, Abners Reviews here, and today we are playing with a NERF Strike Elite Retaliator. Happy holidays from Abners Reviews. So for this month, we are giving away this NERF Strike Elite Disruptor right here, and we are also giving away a $10 Amazon.com gift card. So to enter our giveaway right here, all you need to do is get subscribed, like, comment, and share our videos this November 2022. So any of our videos for November, and then we will be randomly choosing our winners by the end of November 2022. So best of luck to everyone. Happy holidays, guys. Stay safe. Again, this is Abners Reviews, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. 12 pieces Elite Nerf darts, Paperworks, Drop Grip, Extended Barrel, Fixed Stock, and we have the actual NERF Strike Elite Retaliator right here. So the NERF Strike Elite Retaliator right here is a spring-loaded Nerf gun. What we would say is the main feature of this particular Nerf gun is that you can modify it any way you want to use it. So there are 4 form factors which you can transform your NERF Elite Retaliator into right out of the box. So first is this form right here. So this is the shortest form that you can use your Retaliator right here. There's one more part right here that comes with the package which we have overlooked, which is the 12 dart magazine that is included right here. So you prime it using this top part right here. So this one slides to the back, and in the same way, that is how we can release our magazine from our actual Nerf gun right here. So what you do is slide this back up to the back right here, like so, and then this is the mag release button right here, actually on both sides, on the left and on the right. So you just pull it back a little bit and you should be able to get your magazine out right here. So that is our 12 dart magazine included on the package. That is our mag well right here. Of course, the grip, trigger, orange trigger, and as mentioned, the mag release button on the right and on the left right there. We also have the stock attachment part right here at the back of the Nerf gun. So this part right here is our jam door, just inside our priming handle right here. You can lift this up if there's ever any jam on the Nerf gun, so to access the barrel inside. And there's our barrel right here, And on the Nerf gun right here, we have a tactical rail up top. So this is the first form factor which you can use your Nerf Retaliator in. So just the base of the Nerf gun and our 12 dart magazine right there. So just push this back like so, and that will be also effectively armed. So if you pull on the orange trigger, that should fire, right? So that is the first form factor right there for our Nerf N-Strike Elite Retaliator. Now on to the second form factor, which you can use the Nerf Retaliator in. So we can add this included stock to our Nerf gun. So at the back of the Nerf gun, that is our stock attachment point. So we just need to insert this like so. There you go. You just snap that into place. And there are locks right here, the orange part. If you wanted to remove the stock, again, that's the right one and that's the one on the left as well. So what you need to do is push them both down like so and get the stock out that way. Okay, so let's put it back in. Should snap into place. And that is our second form factor, which we can use the Nerf Retaliator in. And there you go. Okay, so third form factor, which we can use the Nerf Retaliator in, is by adding our extended barrel right here that is included. I mentioned that there's a tactical rail on top of our base gun. We also have two available rails on our extended barrel right here. One on the top and one on the bottom right there. So this just snaps into place of our base Nerf gun. So there's also a made up sight right there at the end of our extended barrel right there. So once we attach this one, we would also be attaching our drop grip right here as well for our third form factor right now. So as you can see, there are grooves on our gun barrel that coincides with the grooves on our extended barrel right there. So as you can see, all we need to do is insert this one to our base gun like so. Twist counterclockwise to lock. And there we go. And now on the bottom rail of our extended barrel right here, we are going to attach our drop grip so as to have more stability on the grip of our Nerf gun. So we just slide this right here from the front. There are guides in here on our drop grip right there, which coincides with the rail right here on our extended barrel. So right there. Okay, you slide it like so from the front. And that should lock on our extended barrel right there. So now we have more grip on the front using our third form factor for our Nerf N-Strike Elite Retaliator right here. Okay, so if you have already guessed, the fourth form factor which we can do is to add everything. So since our extended barrel and the drop grip is already here, we just need to add our included stock to the mix. So this is the fourth form factor. Just snap in our included stock on the back and there we go. So that is the complete form as well as the fourth form factor for our Nerf N-Strike Elite Retaliator right there. Okay, so before we forget, there are sling attachment options right here just at the bottom of our gun grip and on our stock right here. So we can attach straps if we wanted to on this options right here. So in terms of included features and attachments, we are giving the Nerf Retaliator right here a score of 5 out of 5. So in terms of grip and handling, this is like a standard grip for our N-Strike Elite Nerf blasters. So this is really comfortable. You can really easily grip our gun right here and pull the trigger really easily. And of course, there's an assist as well for the included stock right here. So you can push this on your chest or on your shoulders. That will definitely increase the stability of the Nerf gun when you are gripping it. Since this is really, in our opinion, a standard grip for N-Strike Elite blasters, we are giving the Nerf Retaliator right here a score of 4 out of 5. So this is the included 12 dart mag right here. The Nerf Elite darts are included on the package, and the 12 dart mag right here I think is a sufficient enough magazine right here. So in terms of ammo capacity, we are giving the Nerf Retaliator a score of 4 out of 5. So in terms of FPS, we are giving our Nerf N-Strike Elite Retaliator a score of 5 out of 5. Okay, so you have seen our firing test right there. You can see that there is some accuracy on this Nerf Retaliator right here. Although still not perfect, but that sensation that you get while arming the Retaliator right here and then pointing at your target, that really gives you a small boost in our opinion. So you tend to be focused when you are arming it and then straight to your target right there. In terms of accuracy, we are giving the Nerf Retaliator right here a score of 4 out of 5. Okay, so to tally the scores, check the scores right here on the screen. So our Nerf N-Strike Elite Retaliator garnered 22 points out of a possible 25 points. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our quick unboxing and review of the Nerf N-Strike Elite Retaliator right here. So as you have seen, this one is a powerful spring-loaded Nerf gun right here. This one got the best scores from our FPS measurements, right? So that is really, really good. And not just for the power of launching our N-Strike Elite darts, but it also has some accuracy to it. Not 100%, but it does give some truth to the accuracy on this Nerf gun. So there you go, guys. If you have comments and inquiries, please put them all down below. So please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you get notified when we upload another one of our Nerf gun reviews right here. As well, as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. So that's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.